You'll surely cast a spell on your guests with this It's October Witches vertical porch stencil project from Oak Lane Studio. If recycling an old sign, first give it a white primer coat. Next, give your wood a base coat using Americana Payne Grey Acrylic Paint.
It sound right, boys.
Now, turn your stencil over and spray the backside with Repositionable spray adhesive. Allow to cure for 30 seconds or so and then position on your board, pressing it into place. Place a stack of clean paper towels nearby and shake your bottle of Americana Lavender prior to pouring out a small amount into a paint tray. Soak the brush bristles thoroughly and then remove excess paint by swirling the brush on the paper towels. Too much paint on the brush will result in bleeding underneath the stencil. Apply the color in multiple light coats using the same swirling motion. For more intricate stencil designs, use frog tape painter's tape to mask off nearby elements. Now paint the lavender witch shoes. Next, use lemon yellow to stencil the word October. Paint the spider elements using Slate Grey. Now mask off the narrow sock stripes. Paint the remaining stripes using Kelly Green. Use pumpkin or pumpkin spice to stencil the It's and Witches texts.
It sound right, boys.
Mask off and paint the shoe buckles and heels. Next up is lamp black for the remaining sock stripes. Lastly, remove any tape holding it in place and lift the stencil straight up to reveal your whimsical new porch sign. For more tips and ideas, visit oaklanestudio.com today.